Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you my ultimate crispy chicken recipe. It's perfect for when you're craving some comfort food, and it's so easy to make at home. Let's get started. For this recipe, you'll need: for bone-in, skin-on chicken thighs, 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of paprika, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, 1 teaspoon of dried thyme, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 tsp of black pepper, 2 eggs, 1/4 cup of milk, 2 cups of panko breadcrumbs, vegetable oil for frying. First, we're going to prepare our chicken. Rinse the chicken thighs and pat them dry with paper towels. Season both sides with salt and pepper, and set them aside. In a shallow dish, combine the flour, paprika, garlic powder, onion powder, dried thyme, salt, and pepper. Mix well. In another shallow dish, whisk together the eggs and milk. In a third shallow dish, add the panko breadcrumbs. Now, we're going to coat the chicken. Dip each chicken thigh first in the flour mixture, then in the egg mixture, and finally in the panko breadcrumbs, pressing the breadcrumbs onto the chicken to ensure they stick. Repeat with all the chicken thighs until they're all coated. In a large skillet, heat about 1/2 inch of vegetable oil over medium-high heat until it reaches 350 degrees Fahrenheit 175 degrees Celsius. Carefully place the chicken thighs in the hot oil, skin side down. Cook for about 5 to 6 minutes on each side, until they're golden brown and crispy. Remove the chicken from the oil and place them on a wire rack to drain any excess oil. Serve your ultimate crispy chicken with your favorite dipping sauce and enjoy. And there you have it, my ultimate crispy chicken recipe. I hope you give it a try and let me know what you think in the comments below. If you liked this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more delicious recipes. See you next time.